Well, my nephew Doc decided that he didn't want to take my word on how hard that trail was. It follows the creek back to Camp Bigfoot. Today, just as a little background, when we hiked out to Camp Bigfoot and then decided to do a little exploring. So we got the map out and headed up the side of the mountain. Up at the top of the ridge, we hit a road that was not on my map, and we followed the road up the trail, up the ridge, and finally I realized that when the road switched back, that it was the road that I had intercepted, the old logging road that I had intercepted on scouting for Camp Bigfoot, the video scouting for Camp Bigfoot. That was the trail, except we hit it much higher than I did. I came out pretty close to the creek, the gorge, where the trail crosses the creek, which you can probably hear in the background. And that's where all that footage of the waterfall came from. But anyway, if you follow that creek takes you directly to Camp Bigfoot, but it is a rough trail, at least coming from the other direction. He may not have too much trouble hitting downhill, but it was a bear heading uphill. So I'm really kind of wasting time right now because we got kind of a little bet on who's going to make it back to Camp Bigfoot first. I decided to follow the known route, the trail, the easy trail back, and he's breaking bush, heading down along that creek. Sure is a beautiful day out here today. It's April 10th. Still snow on top of the mountains, up on top of the higher elevations. Winter's a long time leaving this year. This is where I camped back in November on the Misery Camp. And right here, right in the center of the screen, under about what looks like to be about 5 or 6 inches of water, is my fire ring. Yep, camped right there. It's where I sat right beside those trees there. And this entire area is a lake. So, good to know. Good to know. I will be looking for higher ground to make my new camp. Won't be far from here. It's still going to be in the Camp Bigfoot area. Maybe up in that general direction somewhere. There's a little knoll up there, which may make a nice camp. We're still looking around. Say hi, Doc. There we go. Hey, Rippers. Rippers, say hi. Quiet, huh, Rip? Too quiet. What's that?
Playing it safe wasn't good enough. Maybe once you should lose your mind. It's hard to believe it sometimes, but everything's gonna work out.